Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different websites that you can use to start making money online. Now, New Year's is almost here. Thanksgiving just passed. Hopefully you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully you just spent it with some family, creating some family memories, had some good food, and more than likely you have a few different New Year's resolutions. Maybe one of them might be to make some extra money online. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different websites that's going to help you to be able to do that. So before I share these different websites with you guys, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Alright, so with that being said, let me just jump into the first one. So as you can see right here, I got this page open, Upwork right here. Now this is a very common website to make money online. So this is basically a freelancing website. So this is where you can offer services online and get paid in exchange for them. So there's a different type of variety that you can offer as far as services. Anything from web, mobile, software development, graphic design, video editing, sales and marketing, customer service, virtual assistant. Basically anything that you can think of when it comes to online services, you can provide that on this website and get paid for it in exchange. So basically how it would work is that you would sign up and then you would just create a gig, which is basically the service that you're going to be providing. And then when somebody contacts you for your service, then you're going to provide that service and then you're going to get paid. Now, this is also a great website to outsource services for your business. So if you're not good at sales and marketing and you have an online business, you can come to Upwork and then you can just have somebody promote your business and market your company. So, as you can see right here, you can just click what type of marketing that you need and then marketing strategy. You just pick what kind of service that you need and then it's going to match you up with the right type of people. So as you can see, you just select the settings that you need for your business and then you're going to fill out the your information and then they're going to get back to you and match you up with people who are qualified to provide that type of service. So let me move on to the next one, which is going to be Amazon. Now most people know that Amazon is the most popular website when it comes to e-commerce. You can sign up through Amazon Associates, but what I want to talk about is selling ebooks through Amazon, which is going to be Amazon Kindle. So if we go all the way to the bottom of the homepage right here, it's going to say self-publish with us. And this is basically where you can make money by publishing an ebook and then hosting it on Amazon's platform. And then every time somebody buys that ebook, you would make royalties. Now, you don't have to be the world's best author. You don't have to be a New York Times bestseller in order to create an ebook. If it's just an entertaining story that you're publishing or just like a how-to guide showing somebody how to do something, that's a great way to go about it. And I would recommend just publishing a book through Amazon. And if you don't want to take the time to write or you're not a good writer, what you can also do is just go back to this first website, Upwork, and then just outsource that service. So you can actually have somebody to write a book for you and then you can just publish it on Amazon Kindle. Now, if you're wondering how it works, you can earn up to 70% of the royalties that you make. And since you're going to be using Amazon's platform, you're going to have a large audience that's going to be able to see your book. So this is also a great way to make a passive income because you just create a book one time and then you can just sell that book over and over again. Okay, so let me talk about the next website, which is going to be called Teespring. Now this is basically what a lot of big time YouTubers use to sell their own merchandise. So what they do is they create a graphic design, or they usually have somebody else create a graphic design for them, and they place that design on a t-shirt. You can place it on coffee mugs, sweaters, leggings, phone cases. Basically you can get creative as much as you want with this. So you can put it even on socks, pillows, posters, and you can sell that as merchandise. Now this is a print on demand service, so you don't have to invest a lot of money into creating this inventory and just having it sitting in your garage or your closet. Basically, this is like since it's print on demand, it's made to order. So if somebody places an order, then that product gets printed and it gets shipped out to the customer. So basically you see all kinds of creative different designs right here. And you can just use your imagination. If you're not somebody who's creative or graphically inclined, you can just outsource this service again through the first website, Upwork, and you can just promote your Teespring store. Now, a great way to do that is through YouTube. Alright, so let me move on to the next website, which is going to be Shopify. Now, if you don't know what Shopify is, this is a very popular e-commerce platform that people use. So basically, this is where a lot of people create their own websites where they're selling e-commerce products. Now, most people who use Shopify, they also do dropshipping as a method to make money online. So dropshipping is basically where you list an item for sale that is being sold somewhere else at a cheaper price. So when you list that product on your website, you're going to mark up the price and you're just going to put your commission on top of that. Now, most people who use Shopify to make money online, they usually find their products from online Chinese wholesale websites like Alibaba or AliExpress. They list that product on their own website, and whenever somebody places an order on their website, they contact the seller and they order that product and have it shipped directly to the customer. So let me give you a quick example of what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is AliExpress, and these are just a few examples of what you can use for a dropshipping website. So let's say that I create a website that's all about women's fashion or women's accessories. I can sell these hair extensions and then just list them for sale on my website. And whenever somebody purchases these hair extensions on my website, I would go to this seller who's selling it at $42.08 each. Let's say I would just be selling it on my website for $60 or $70. And somebody places an order on my website, I would contact the seller, I would order it and have it shipped directly to the customer. But there's plenty of different categories as far as products that you can use for dropshipping. Let's say, a flashlight, that's a pretty basic one. We got this cheap phone, I wouldn't recommend that. We got hard drives. There's a whole category, there's a bunch of different categories that you can go with. So as you can see, these are all the categories that you can choose from. So you can choose toys, clothing, cars, motorcycles, jewelry. The list goes on and on. So using Shopify to create an e-commerce website is a great way to make money online. Now, if you're wondering what it costs to start with the Shopify website, you can just click right here where it says pricing and it's going to break it down for you. They have a 2-week free trial, but their minimum basic plan starts at $29 a month. And as you go up $79 a month or $300 a month, obviously you're going to get more benefits and features. But I would just recommend starting out with the 2-week free trial, and then after that, just use the $30 a month. Okay, so let me move on to the next website that you can use to start making money online, which is going to be YouTube. Now, you probably don't think that YouTube is a great way to make money online, but in order to make money with YouTube, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, but you can make money from YouTube before you reach that point. And basically, you can use these other methods that I'm talking about. So if you have a Teespring store, you can just promote your Teespring store using your YouTube channel. A lot of big time YouTubers do this in order to create some extra income. They promote their Teespring store in the description of their videos. They just tell people, hey, check out my new merch. I got new merch for sale. And they direct them to their own Teespring store. Another way that people make money with YouTube is through affiliate products. So let's say, for example, if I want to look for the best camera of 2019. If I find somebody who's reviewing this camera, the best camera of 2019 is just a matter of opinion when it comes to price, performance, and all that stuff. But let's say I want to look at the best camera of 2019. What I'm going to do is click on somebody's video where they're reviewing this specific camera. And more than likely, they're going to have what's called an affiliate link. See, Nikon Z6, Canon EOS R whatever, Sony A7 III. So all of these are Amazon affiliate links. So if I click on any of these, it's going to take me to Amazon where I can purchase this product for myself. But what this is an affiliate link for the person who made this video. So if I were to purchase any of these products, then that person would make a commission. So that's another way that you can use YouTube to make money online. Okay, so let me move on to the next website, which is going to be called Text Broker. So this is going to be for people who enjoy writing. So if you're good at writing, or if you just want to improve your writing skills, this is a great way to get paid while doing so. Now, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. This is only available for people in the United States. And if you're wondering how it works or how to sign up, basically you just go right here where it says I write content and then click on how Text Broker works. So we scroll down and it's going to show how it works. You're going to register for free and then you're going to verify your US citizenship. You're going to submit a writing sample. Now, the reason why you have to submit a writing sample is because they want to make sure that you're at least decent or adequate at writing, and then they're going to evaluate your skill, and then they're going to pay you based on how well that you write. Once you do that, you're going to get your rating, and then you're going to complete your profile, and then you can start getting paid for writing. Now, if you're wondering exactly how much you would be getting paid, we can just go back to right here where it says payment, and it's going to break it down. So right here, 2-star rating, you're going to get 0.07 cents per word, which is basically nothing. 3-star, you're going to get paid 1 cent a word. But look right here where it says 5-star rating, you're going to get paid 5 cents a word. Now, if you're wondering how much that would add up to be, they have a calculator right here. So 2-star for 1,000 words, you're going to get paid $7, which is chump change. But a 3-star level, you're going to get paid $10. And 4-star, you're going to get paid $14. But there's a huge price jump when you get to 5 stars. So you're going to get paid $50 for writing 1,000 words. And if you think about it, writing 1,000 words, you can do that in like 45 minutes to an hour. So if you're writing at a 5-star level, you can make easily, $100 a day with plenty of time to spare. So I would recommend this website for people who are interested in writing or just want to improve their writing skills. Alright, so let me talk about the last website, which is Line. Now, most people probably don't know about this, but this is an app that you download on your phone, and this is where you're able to ride around on those electric scooters or those bikes. So basically, you download the app, it allows you to use those electric scooters, and then you have to pay per mile, and I believe for a certain amount of time that you're using the bike. So, but you can actually get paid by charging those electric scooters, because they do need to be charged. See these electric scooters right here? So if you're wondering how to do that, we come down all the way to the bottom and it says juicers. So you're going to sign up to become a juicer. So you make money by taking these electric scooters home, charging them, and then putting them back onto the street early in the morning. So basically you just sign up, you fill out your information, and then when you download the app, it's going to show on your phone a little map of these electric scooters, where they're at, and then how much they're going to pay you for charging each one. Now, if you're wondering how much you get paid for charging each scooter, it's usually somewhere between $4 to $8, depending on how low the battery is, and I believe like where it's at. So that's something to think about. So when you sign up for this program, you're gonna get a charger where you're gonna be able to charge up to 4 scooters at one time. If you want to charge more than that, you would just have to order another charger. So I would recommend this method for people who have like a van or a truck and they want to go out there and just start making money. So, you would have to actually go out there, pick up the scooters, take them home, and then charge them and put them back out on the street at night. But this can earn you a decent amount of income if you're willing to hustle. So these are the different websites that I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. Hopefully it gave you some ideas on how you can start making more money in the new year. And if you guys are interested in learning my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, check out the first link in the top of the description. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below if you guys know about any other websites that you can use to make money online. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.